Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the X26R Rider Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So you have a damaged suction hose, and you need to replace it. Very simple, here's how you do it. With the recovery tank lid open, simply pull the suction hose off of that end, come down to your squeegee assembly, pull it off of there, and you can either go through the battery compartment or you can go up through the battery compartment. Now, take your new hose. I think it would be a little easier if you went down through the battery compartment. Pulled that out, reattach it to your squeegee assembly, and then put it back in the recovery tank. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.